All right, we're going to do chapter 8a, the quiz homework. Okay, so you have to figure out, all these intervals are the same except one. You have to figure out which one is not the same. All right, so B to D. The key of B is supposed to be a D sharp. There isn't. So that means this is minor. It's a minor third. The key of E is supposed to be a G sharp. It's not. It's been smashed, so it's a minor third. D to F. It's supposed to be an F sharp. There isn't. It's a minor third. F to A. The key of F, there is an A. That's major. Just to do a quick check, key of A is supposed to be a C sharp. There's your minor third. So the answer is 4. Same accidental. Perfect. 5. Same accidental. Perfect. 5. Same accidental, but what are those two notes? What's that exception? B and F? Yeah, and the key of B is supposed to be an F sharp, and there isn't. So that's not. It's a diminished fifth. So the answer is 3. The other ones have the same accidental. All right, and a key of F sharp. Is there a D? It's supposed to be a D sharp, so it's minor sixth. And the key of G, is there an E? Yeah, that's a major sixth. Key of E, supposed to be a C sharp, minor sixth. Key of B, supposed to be a G sharp, it's a minor sixth. Key of D, there's no B flat, so it's a minor sixth. All right. Key of A, supposed to be a G, it's minor 7. Key of C, there is a B, well, that's a major 7. Key of E flat, there's a D, major 7. Key of D, there's a C sharp, that's a major 7. And E flat has a D, it's a major 7. So 1 is the answer. All right, same accidental, perfect fourth. Same accidental, perfect 5. Key of D, there's supposed to be an F sharp, and there isn't, so it's a minor third. Same accidental, and it's not B and F. Perfect fourth. It's a half step, so it's a minor second, so A to B flat. G to A is a whole step, so it's a major second. G to B, B is in the key of G, major third. Not the same accidental, so it's a fourth. So what's been happened to it? Well, it's supposed to be the same accidental with C and an F, and it's been expanded, so it's an augmented fourth. So perfect fourth. Up, same accidental. Major third. From G, it's in there. I guess, yeah, okay. D to B. Major sixth. Start the key. And it has to be the same accidental. So there you go. Here is 8B. All right, let's see what these are. That looks like a half step, so it's a minor second. D to E flat, it's a minor second. E to F, it's a minor second. It's a half step. G sharp to A is a minor second. F sharp to G sharp is a whole step, so it's a major second. So there's your answer. All right. C is supposed to go to E, not E flat. The key of C doesn't have any flat, so it's been smashed. It's a minor third. E to G. In the key of E, there's supposed to be a G sharp. Isn't. It's been smashed. It's a minor third. G sharp to B. But if you get to one of these, and there's no such thing as a G sharp major, you can bring everything down a half step to see what it is. So if I bring this down a half step, you have a G and a B flat. That should make it easier. So G, B flat, it's minor. It's a minor third. So if you run into a key or a note that you don't like, you can always bring both of them down a half step, and then you can kind of see what the relationship is between them. A to C is supposed to be a C sharp, minor third. B flat to D, key of B flat, it has a D in it, so it's your major third. Now let's do same accidental, P4, same accidental, P4, same accidental, P4, same accidental, P4, not the same accidental. So it's something different. It's been expanded, so it's an augmented fourth. So there's your answer. The key of B is supposed to be a G sharp in it. It's not. So it's a minor sixth. Key of G, there is an E. It's a major sixth. Key of E, there's a C sharp. It's a major sixth. Key of F sharp, there is a D sharp in there. It's a major sixth. Key of A flat, there is an F in it. It's a major sixth. So the answer is 1. All right. Let's do these kind of quick. Not the same accidental, and it's been smashed because the key of D is supposed to be a G, and it's not, so it's augmented fourth. G to A is a whole step, so it's a major second. B to G, key of B, and the key of B is 5 sharps. Sharps are farmer, clem, grows, dill, and. So there is supposed to be a G sharp in here. It's not. So that means it's a minor sixth. The homework has a wrong answer. Just want to let you know that. It's supposed to be a minor. Same accidental. 5. Key of E flat is supposed to be a G natural. It's a minor third. Key of A, there's supposed to be a G sharp, so it's a, oops, minor 7. Sorry about that. There's that B and F thing. That's the little thing there. Remember, it's supposed to be a B flat there, key of F. Supposed to be a B flat, and it's not. So it's an augmented fourth. That lovely B and F. It's the only time that you have to like look at it if they're not the same. If they're the same accidental. Key of B, there is a D, so that's a major third. I'll go up with these. Key of D, there is a B in it. The perfect fifth. Perfect fourth, same accidental. And G to B, it's major third. All right, so that's a whole step, so it's a major second. Third, because it's supposed to be a G sharp there, and it's not. It's a major third. It's a whole step. It's a perfect fourth, because same accidental. So it's perfect fourth. It's a perfect octave. Major second. So A flat from the key signature to an F. It's a minor third because the key of F is supposed to be A natural, but it's not. D, F is a minor third, and that's a D to E flat is a half step. Perfect fifth above, make the same accidental. Make a minor sixth. There's your minor sixth. Key of G, there is an E natural, and you have to make it flat. And whole step goes to F sharp. 8D. Is a perfect fifth, same accidental. That's a major 6. C to A, another major 6. It's a major 7. B to D, and the key of B is supposed to be a D sharp. It's a minor third. That's a whole step, major second. C to B, it's a half step. C to D, it's a whole step. D to B flat, it's a major third. F to B flat, remember they have the B flat, they have to have the you have to have different accidentals, so it's perfect 4. And F to D, major 6, because key of F there is a D. And minor second, D to E flat, which is a half step. E flat and C, it's major third, I'm sorry, minor third. And minor third again, because A to C is supposed to be C sharp. And A to D, perfect fourth. All right, there you go.